Due to a lack of inventory, it may take you longer to find the right home for you, but your efforts will likely be rewarded. Recently, the number of new construction homes were not keeping up with increasing demand, especially from those under 35 years old. And the pandemic has made the shortage of housing even tighter. The housing market is hot and forecasted to show strong gains into the future. Our local market is anticipating appreciation of 4.7% over the next 12 months and 24.3% over the next 5 years. So while it might take a little more persistence to find your next home, stay with it and don't get discouraged, because the financial opportunity is significant. Many sellers won't let you into their home without a pre-approval letter. So contact me to have that in hand to increase your chances of reaching the home of your dreams. This has been James Graff with another Mortgage Minute brought to you by Advisors Mortgage Group. Thank you for listening thus far, and I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Thanks again.